आज हम फिर से आ चुके हैं वैल्यू एजुकेशन का मोरल वैल्यूज़ जो है क्लास 8 का उसके साथ में। तो चलिए ये है इसका थर्ड चैप्टर जो कि गोल्ड इन द सन। इसका पहले जो जितने सारे भी चैप्टर है एक फर्स्ट और दोनों चैप्टर जो है उसका हम पढ़ चुके हैं। तो अभी शुरू करने वाले थर्ड चैप्टर। तो चलिए इसको शुरू करते हैं फटाक से। इसके बारे में तो आप सबको पता ही है क्या हुआ था। सेकेंड चैप्टर जो है, चलिए इसको शुरू करते हैं। थर्ड चैप्टर हम सब पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं फटाफट। चलो। Ricky was a young boy who could always help his grandfather in the fields. Whenever he went to his native village, his grandfather used to feel very happy and often tell this to his friend. The land was fertile, so he could grow the vegetable that he loved. He grew corn, beans, peas, cucumbers, and garlic. Nobody in the neighboring land could grow bigger flowers than his grandfather. When Ricky walked with him, he told an interesting story of man and his wife who could move to a new farmland with their 3 sons. His name was Joey. They were welcomed by all in the community and gradually settled there. A nearby farmer told Joey that there was gold in the soil of his new farm. Joey took that statement very seriously, as if actually there was gold in the land. There was a tremendous happiness in their family, and they thought that the father, along with his 3 healthy sons, will work hard to dig out gold from new land. His sons actually took charge of their personal venture right on their own land. Each one of them was preparing plans and in his mind so as what to do with the gold which they could get. They adopted quite a professional approach for digging the land. They took a certain piece of started from one corner till they finished up to the end. They decided to start from one side and then go back to the other direction. It was really fun to dig in the land of gold. This practice continued for about 6 months, and they still were through digging the whole land. Meanwhile, Joey thought to make use of time and resources. He started leveling the soil, which was upturned through in his process, and thought he could plant some crops in that area. He planted various crops such as corn, tomatoes, potatoes, and onions. His son continued tireless job to dig on the soil so as to find gold. As more soil was available, more crops were planted. Interesting, Joey had never done any farming before, and it had always been a dream for him to do so. Joey and his wife were surprised to see the fast growth of crops, and soon different crops got ready to be harvested. But then they found that there was more yield of the crops than he and his family could never eat. He was suggested by his neighbor that he could set up a village store. They liked the idea and did so. They were quite successful in his new venture. Good money was earned in this manner. The whole family was totally devoted to make their business flourish. This exercise continued for many years, and as a result, Joy and his family became quite wealthy. The sons were still working on the land. Even after they had finished the entire digging, they could start once again from the original corner of their pressure to find gold. They were encouraged for further studies too. They always used to think of getting the gold. The never was greatly surprised on their thinking. He then made it clear that by saying so he meant that the land was such rich and fertile soil that whatever is planted could give returns like gold. Now they realized what the fact was. In this way, the son also got inspiration of working hard as they had visions of what money could do for them and did not focus on the money itself. Joey and three sons were inspired with the possibility of finding gold in the soil. In fact, to meet all the challenges and setbacks, we could some inspiration to motivate ourselves. Thus, we should never give up. Inspiration is needed for hard work. So, students, मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा? अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और मेरा एक और नया यूट्यूब चैनल है जो कि म्यूजिक वर्ड स्टूडियो, सादा म्यूजिक वर्ड स्टूडियो, उसको भी जाके देख लीजिए। अगर म्यूजिक वर्ड अगर अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ उसको भी जाकर लाइक कर लेना। और अगर इस वीडियो में कोई भी कहीं पर भी अगर प्रॉब्लम है, कहीं समझ में नहीं वर्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताना कौन सा जगह है प्रॉब्लम में। मिलते हैं जल्दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय।